In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purge Cloudflare cache. If you've recently updated your website but still see old content, images, or styles, clearing the Cloudflare cache forces Cloudflare to fetch fresh versions from your origin server. This is a quick and safe process, but keep in mind that purging will temporarily remove cached files globally, so the first visit after the purge might be a bit slower as the cache rebuilds. Start by opening your Cloudflare account. Head to the Cloudflare dashboard in your browser and sign in. Make sure you have the right permissions to manage caching for the site you're working on. Once you're in, you'll see a list of websites connected to your account. Next, click on the specific domain you want to work with. This is important if you manage multiple sites, because cache settings apply per domain. Selecting the correct property ensures you're clearing the cache for the right website and not affecting others. Inside the domain's dashboard, look for the caching section in the left-hand menu. Click Caching to open Cloudflare's caching controls. This area covers how Cloudflare stores and serves your static assets, like images, CSS, JavaScript, and even cached HTML if you've enabled that. Within caching, go to the Configuration tab. This tab centralizes the main cache settings for your site. It's also where you'll find the options for clearing cache. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct domain and environment, especially if you use staging and production domains. Now, click Purge Everything. Cloudflare will ask you to confirm because this action clears all cached content across all data centers worldwide for the selected domain. Confirm the purge to proceed. After a moment, you should see a success message indicating the cache has been purged. From here, Cloudflare will start rebuilding the cache as visitors access your site. If you want to check results, reload your site in a fresh browser window or an incognito session to see the latest version served from the origin. A few tips as you finish up. Plan purges during lower traffic times if possible, especially for high traffic sites, to minimize the impact of rebuilding cache. If your updates are extensive, a full purge is ideal. If they're minor, remember that a full purge still works but may be broader than necessary. And after purging, give the network a minute or two to propagate the change globally. That's it. You've opened your Cloudflare account, chosen the right domain, navigated to caching, selected configuration, and used Purge Everything to clear your cache. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.